What if I told you that your next billion-dollar business might not exist in the real world, but in the metaverse? The metaverse! You've heard the buzz, but beyond the hype, what is it really? The metaverse is a persistent, immersive 3D digital world where people interact using avatars. Think of it as the next evolution of the internet, where instead of scrolling, you're living inside the experience. Companies like Meta, Microsoft, Nvidia, and Apple are pouring billions into it. Why? Because the metaverse could redefine how we work, play, shop, and socialize. Here's the kicker. According to McKinsey, the metaverse could generate $5 trillion in value by 2030. That's not small change. And it's not just tech giants getting rich. Entrepreneurs, creators, and startups are already carving out niches and raking in millions sometimes overnight. From virtual fashion to real estate and digital worlds, the possibilities are exploding. So, how do you actually build a business inside the metaverse? Here are a few booming models. 1. Virtual real estate. People are buying, selling, and renting digital land on platforms like Decentraland and The Sandbox. Brands are building virtual stores, galleries, and event spaces. 2. Digital goods and NFTs. From designer clothes for avatars to NFT art, the demand for digital ownership is surging. Gucci, Nike, and Adidas are already in and thriving. 3. Play-to-earn games. Games like Axie Infinity let users earn real income by playing. Entire economies are forming around these platforms. 4. VR events and experiences. Virtual concerts, product launches, conferences, businesses are hosting immersive events, reducing costs and increasing reach. 5. Metaverse as a service, MaaS. Some startups are building tools for others to enter the metaverse avatars, virtual stores, SDKs. You don't have to build a world from scratch, just help others get there. Let's talk about a few winners. Yuga Labs, the creators of Bored Ape Yacht Club, launched Otherside, a metaverse project worth hundreds of millions. Roblox isn't just a game, it's a platform where developers create virtual worlds and earn real money. Some teenage devs are making 6 figures annually. Ready Player Me builds customizable avatars for cross-platform use and just raised millions in funding. These aren't just experiments. They're real businesses scaling fast. Now the big question, how do you get in? Step 1. Pick a platform. Explore ecosystems like Decentraland, Spatial, Roblox, or Horizon Worlds. Each has its own tools and audiences. Step 2. Identify a need. Are you a designer? Build fashion for avatars? A developer? Create virtual tools or spaces? A marketer? Help brands enter the metaverse. Step 3. Learn and build. Use tools like Unity, Unreal Engine, or Blender. You don't need to code everything. Many platforms are low-code or no-code. Step 4. Monetize. Sell virtual goods, offer services, run events, or license your IP. Of course, it's not all sunshine and Lambos. The metaverse is still early. There's hype, volatility, and technical hurdles. Not every platform will survive. Not every NFT will hold value. But remember, this is just like the internet in the 90s. Early adopters faced uncertainty and made history. The metaverse isn't just a tech trend. It's a new economy, a new canvas for creators, a new frontier for entrepreneurs. So ask yourself, will you wait and watch? Or will you start building your next billion-dollar business in the metaverse? Enjoyed this episode of PromptWare? Like, comment, and subscribe for more AI, tech, and future-forward business ideas. Stay smart. Stay ahead. Stay prompted. Before we go, let's dive a little deeper. What does it mean for the world when digital and physical realities increasingly overlap? It's not just businesses. Education is moving beyond textbooks into immersive, interactive environments. Imagine a history lesson where you're walking through ancient Rome, or a biology class where you explore human anatomy in 3D. Healthcare, too, is on the cusp of transformation. From virtual therapy sessions to augmented reality surgery, the metaverse is aiding medical professionals in unprecedented ways. The potential for remote diagnostics and personalized treatment plans is boundless. We're also seeing the rise of virtual tourism and cultural experiences. Visit museums and landmarks across the globe without boarding a plane. Attend live theater and concerts wherever they are in the world, all from your home. And yet, with great power comes great responsibility. Ethics and governance in the metaverse are critical. Who owns the data? How do we ensure privacy and security? How do we prevent big tech monopolies from dominating this new space? These are questions that need addressing. It won't be easy, but the pioneers of the digital future are those who will navigate these challenges with creativity, responsibility, and foresight. So, join us next time as we continue to explore the endless possibilities of our rapidly advancing world. Remember, every great adventure begins with a single step. What's going to be yours? Until next time, keep questioning, keep exploring, and keep your mind open to the possibilities that await in the realms of the metaverse.